Good morning, friends. Today we have to discuss about portfolio audit. What is the portfolio audit? When we have lots of investment, whatever name, whether it is the saving account, fixed account, a fixed deposit, you can say investment in gold, investment in share, investment in mutual fund. So whatever the location places you have investment, we have to that all investment is considered as portfolio. And today we will understand ki what is the meaning of portfolio audit. Ki once you have the portfolio of the 1 crore, whether it can be 10 lakh, whether it can be 50 lakhs, whether it can be 2 crore, 5 crore, 10 crore, 20 crore, 50 crore, 100 crore. But whether there is any requirement to do portfolio audit or not. As you know, everyone, this is our body, and our body also require regular health checkup. Matlab, what happen ki if we don't take preventive for us, then after 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, or maybe after 1 year, there is some our body will give our body gives some indication ki you are not feeling good, you are not good. Then what we do, after that we go to doctor, and whatever the suggestion given by doctor, ki you have to take x-ray, ultrasound, you have to take medicine, you have to do blood test. Then after ultrasound, medicine and blood test, doctor recommend medicine for us, and after that our illness becomes a normal life. Okay, so this is the portfolio audit. Okay, whatever you have investment like in FD, in real estate, in gold, or anywhere, whatever you have investment in mutual fund, in share. Okay, then you have to understand ki with after expiry of the 6 months, yeah, after expiry of 1 year, you have to check whether your portfolio or in your investment is working on right track or not. So today we are not going to discuss about the type of investment like you have to go in equity, you have to go in mutual fund, you have to go in real estate, you have to go in gold. We are not going to discuss anything. What is the purpose of investment today? Again, we are not discussing the purpose of investment. Purpose of investment can be short-term investment, long-term investment, or it can be some specific purpose. Like my daughter is just 5 years old, and I'm interested to send her abroad after 15 years. Okay, then after 15 years, my purpose is ki I have to create some fund, some amount. So after 15 years, yeah, 18 years, I can send her abroad. So this is the purpose of investment. Purpose of investment can be for 1 year, 2 year, 5 year, 10 year. It can be like next year I want to go abroad, so that I'm saving something. After 10 year or 15 year, I have to do my kids marriage. For that I'm earning, I'm saving. Okay, today we are also not going to discuss how to create wealth. How to create wealth, because whatever you have income, after receiving income, and you have to spend lots of like household expenses, study expenses, and whatever the money you receive, you save, that is from saving you create wealth. So we are not going to discuss today. We will discuss only portfolio audit. Okay, whatever amount you have in your portfolio, whether it is the saving account, current account, fixed deposit, gold, mutual fund, real estate, insurance, whatever the investment you have to check, and you have to do portfolio audit for every year. Otherwise your investment can go in negative, or you can say it will not perform very well. So today's session is on learn to make stop mistake. जो भी हमने आज तक mistake किया है, did in past by you and others. मतलब whatever the हमने mistake किया हुआ है, वो आज हम स्टडी करेंगे कि क्या हमने मिस्टेक किया था और कैसे हम इस मिस्टेक से आगे निकल सकते हैं. This is the income, and you can get some loan from someone, and you can get gift from your relative, your parent, your brother, or your friend. Okay, so whatever amount you have received as income, जहाँ पर आप काम कर रहे हो, whether you are doing job, whether you are doing business, or whatever the income source you are earning, so you have one source of income as an income. You have taken some loan from bank or some relative, and you can receive gift year to year. And after that, from income or loan or gift, you expend something, and from expenditure or after expenditure, your income creates some saving, your loan creates some saving, or your gift is 100% saving. After that, you start to create wealth. Like, you have the income of 1 lakh rupees per month, and your expenditure is 75,000 per month. Then 25,000 is saving. And after receiving 25,000 per month, what you are doing? You are investing in mutual fund, you are investing in share, you are investing into fixed deposit. So that is your wealth. So I hope you got my point. Whatever the source of income you are getting, you are receiving income, loan, gift, and you make some investment, that is called that is the process of creation of investment, creation of wealth. So today we will discuss what is the portfolio investment, what is the portfolio audit. So whatever you have the saving, you make you keep some amount in saving account, you purchase some gold, you invest some amount into fixed deposit, into share, mutual fund, real estate. Apart from that, there are some other investment जहां पर आप investment कर सकते हो, लेकिन most of the people is making investment into saving account, fixed deposit, share, mutual fund, gold, real estate. Gold, some person buy gold as a gold bond, purchase करते हैं, some person buy as a gold coins, and some person is purchasing gold as a jewelry, like ring हो गया, या फिर you can say necklace है, या any kind of the jewelry you are purchasing. So gold can be three kind, like gold bond, gold coins, and gold jewelry. तो ये तीनों का अपना अपना प्रो एंड कॉन्स है. सपोज दैट आई हैव पेपर गोल्ड बॉन्ड. गोल्ड बॉन्ड में क्या होता है? I have to make payment to any bank or government of India like 1 lakh rupees. And government of India or bank has given one particular bond to me. They will just give the certificate to me कि you are holding 20 ग्राम या 30 ग्राम या 40 ग्राम of gold. Okay. अब वो सर्टिफिकेट लॉस्ट कर जाता है या कुछ हो जाता तो doesn't make difference for me. लेकिन वही 30 ग्राम या 40 ग्राम गोल्ड आई एम बेयरिंग और आई हैव केप्ट इन माय हाउस, और कोई चोर आके चोरी कर जाता है, या फिर कहीं से ब्लड आया और वो बह गया, ओके, देन आई लॉस्ट माय होल गोल्ड. बट इन केस ऑफ गोल्ड बॉन्ड, अगर वो सर्टिफिकेट नहीं भी रहता है, देन यू कैन गो टू बैंक, और जहां से आपने वो गोल्ड बॉन्ड परचेज किया था, यू कैन डिस्कस कि आई हैव लॉस्ट माय सर्टिफिकेट एंड दिस इज द माय फोटो कॉपी, दिस इज द माय स्कैन कॉपी. तो अगेन जो भी एक साल या आफ्टर 1 ईयर एंड 2 ईयर वट एवर द अमाउंट यू हैव इन गोल्ड, वो आपको प्रोवाइड कर देते हैं. लेकिन दैट इज नॉट पॉसिबल इन केस ऑफ द ज्वेलरी, दैट इज नॉट पॉसिबल इन केस ऑफ क्वाइन. अब क्वाइन और ज्वेलरी में भी प्रो एंड कॉन्स क्या होता है कि यू हैव ज्वेलरी ऑफ द 10 ग्राम एंड यू हैव द अगेन 10 ग्राम क्वाइन. तो क्वाइंस में कोई मेकिंग चार्ज नहीं लगता है, बट इन केस ऑफ द ज्वेलरी यू हैव टू पे द मेकिंग चार्ज व्हेन यू वांट टू एक्सचेंज क्वाइन और ज्वेलरी. तो क्वाइन में जैसे आप एक्सचेंज करते हो तो देयर इज नो सच एज द एक्सपेंडिचर. जो ज्वेलर्स होता है वो कोई एक्सपेंडिचर डिडक्ट नहीं करते हैं, बट इन केस ऑफ ज्वेलरी वो कुछ ना कुछ मेकिंग चार्ज लगाते हैं. तो यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द फॉर्मेट ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट, कि आप किस फॉर्मेट में इन्वेस्टमेंट कर रहे हो, उसका क्या प्रो है, क्या उसका कॉन्सेप्ट. इसी तरीके से यू मेक सम इन्वेस्टमेंट इनटू रियल एस्टेट. रियल एस्टेट कैन बी फ्लैट, कोठी, लैंड, एग्रीकल्चर लैंड, ये कुछ भी हो सकता है. सम अदर इन्वेस्टमेंट लाइक इंश्योरेंस, हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस लेते हो, दैट इज नॉट ए इन्वेस्टमेंट. If you have taken life investment, money back policy, or any other kind of the insurance, जो for that you are paying the जिसका जो टर्म प्लान होता है 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, that is the investment. You have taken health insurance या medical insurance जो हर ईयर you have to pay, लेकिन वो उस ईयर तक ही अप्लीकेबल है, या यू कैन से अप्लीकेबल है या फिर उसका बेनिफिट यूटिलाइज कर सकते हो. नेक्स्ट ईयर यू हैव नॉट पेड दैट इंश्योरेंस अमाउंट, देन you cannot take, you are not entitled to take benefit of that health insurance. तो जो 5 ईयर 10 ईयर 15 ईयर का इंश्योरेंस होता है, that is only consider as investment for you. वो आपका लाइफ इंश्योरेंस हो सकता है, वो आपका मनी बैक पॉलिसी हो सकता है, वो आपका कोई किड्स पॉलिसी हो सकता है. ओके, देन इन्वेस्टमेंट इन बिजनेस, जैसे कि मेरे एक फ्रेंड ने बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया, आई हैव गिवन द 2 लाख रुपीज एज ए इक्विटी पार्टनर, मैं उसमें पार्टनर बन गया. ठीक है, या फिर आई हैव गिवन द 10 लाख रुपीज एज ए लोन, तो कुछ भी हो सकता है. तो समवन हैज स्टार्टेड बिजनेस और आई हैव इन्वेस्टेड. पीपीएफ अकाउंट, मैंने पीपीएफ अकाउंट ओपन करवाया हुआ, या यू आर डूइंग जॉब, तो आपका ईपीएफ होता है या एम्प्लॉयर प्रोविडेंट फंड होता है. तो या यू डोंट हैव द एम्प्लॉयर प्रोविडेंट फंड, देन यू गो इन बैंक एंड यू ओपन पब्लिक प्रोविडेंट फंड. तो इस तरीके से इन्वेस्टमेंट होता है, लोन देते हो आप किसी को. इसके अलावा 2 ब्लैंक है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट देयर आर सम अदर टाइप ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट जहां पर आप इन्वेस्टमेंट कर सकते हो. नाउ अब पीपीएफ और इंश्योरेंस पर वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड. पीपीएफ का जो टर्म होता है दैट इज द 15 इयर्स. इट मींस कि बिफोर 15 ईयर यू कैन नॉट विथड्रॉ. That is the same scenario in case of insurance. Insurance generally 12 year 15 year या 20 year का term plan होता है, उससे पहले you cannot withdraw money, but whatever the money you receive from PPF, that is the tax free. But in case of insurance it is not tax free, वहां पर कुछ ना कुछ सीरियस कटता है. ओके, तो इस तरीके से बहुत सारे प्रो एंड कॉन्स है जो बिफोर मेकिंग इन्वेस्टमेंट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड. वन थिंग, बिफोर मेकिंग इन्वेस्टमेंट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि आपको पैसा कहाँ लगाना है, विच इज द बेस्ट आउटकम जो आपको ज्यादा रिटर्न दे सके. दैट इज द एग्जम्प्टेड, दैट इज द लेस टैक्सेबल. ये बिफोर इन्वेस्टमेंट से पहले आपको सोचना है. बट वंस यू हैव मेक इन्वेस्टमेंट, देन हम क्या करें. तो नाउ टुडे वी हैव टू डिस्कस कि आपने इन्वेस्टमेंट कर दिया है, तो अब हम क्या करेंगे कि how we can understand कि whatever amount has been invested into particular location like PPF, loan, investment in any business, in gold, real estate, saving account, share, mutual fund, so whether it is a right or wrong. Okay. तो सबसे पहले क्या करना है, you have to make list all investment. Whatever you have investment, you have to list your investment in a Excel sheet or in a Word or in a diary. कि आपका कहाँ कहाँ इन्वेस्टमेंट है. लाइक पीपीएफ में 50,000 रुपया डाला हुआ है, सुकन्या समृद्धि अकाउंट में 2 लाख रुपया डाला हुआ है, होम में आपने 50 लाख रुपया डाला हुआ है, या 50 लाख का घर है लेकिन 30 लाख रुपए यू हैव टेकन लोन. उसके बाद आपके पास अपने इंश्योरेंस 5 पॉलिसी चल रही है, तो उसका टोटल प्रीमियम हैज बीन पेड बाय यू इज अप्रॉक्स 10 लाख रुपीस. ओके, आपने शेयर में भी कुछ पैसा लगाया हुआ है, यू हैव मेक सब इन्वेस्टेड सम मनी इनटू म्यूचुअल फंड. तो इस तरीके से आपको एक लिस्ट बनाना है कि आपका टोटल इन्वेस्टमेंट कहाँ कहाँ है. अब नाउ आपने एक लिस्ट बना लिया. सपोज दैट यू हैव द एफडी ऑफ 5 लाख रुपीस और आपने सारा का सारा एफडी एक ही बैंक में डाला हुआ है, बैंक बी में डाला हुआ है. ओके, तो व्हाट आई वांट टू ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड टू यू कि जो बैंक बी आपको इंटरेस्ट दे रहा है, सपोज दैट बैंक बी इज गिविंग इंटरेस्ट ऑफ 6% ऑन एफडी अकाउंट. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, आप इंटरनेट पर सर्च करो या यू कैन विजिट नियर बाय बैंक, बैंक ए, बैंक सी, बैंक डी, बैंक ई, बैंक एफ, सब जगह आप बैंकों में जाओ और आस्क देम कि व्हाट इज योर एफडी रेट. तो यहाँ से आपको पता चल जाएगा कि बैंक B is giving only 6%, so whether you are getting same rate of interest or some other bank is providing more rate of interest on your fixed deposit. Suppose that bank C is providing 7% interest rate on your FD. What you have to do कि आज तक तो जो 6% बैंक B was providing, आप तो कुछ नहीं कर सकते हो. Now you redeem your FD in bank B and you transfer your whole fixed deposit into bank C. So आप 1% एक्स्ट्रा प्राप्त कर सकते हो. ओके, तो दैट इज द पोर्टफोलियो ऑडिट, और यू कैन से कि हाउ यू कैन क्रिएट इफेक्टिव पोर्टफोलियो. कि आपने एक बार इन्वेस्टमेंट कर दिया तो दैट इज द good thing, but every quarterly or 6 monthly you have to review and you have to understand कि जो पैसा जहां पर लगा हुआ है whether it is in right position or not. Might be possible 6 months before it was the right, but now it is not a right thing. ये हमारे साथ भी होता है सब. If we have purchased something like dining table या mobile phone, I have purchased this mobile phone 6 months back, yeah, 1 year back. Now it is not working. Yeah, there is some default or some other feature in a smartphone has been launched by the other, and this is not useful for me. What I will do, I will replace, I will sold it, or I will purchase another mobile, and this will be the given to my kids or some any other person so he can enjoy. So आपने whatever the investment you have made 6 months before, 1 year before, 2 years before, 5 years before, that it is not a meaning कि आपने गलत कर दिया. Suppose that you make some mistake. In spite of that, you have the opportunity to understand, to do portfolio audit, and after that उसको reschedule कर सकते हो. Like बैंक बी में है तो बैंक सी में डाल दो. Suppose that आपने किसी एक बैंक में अपने पैसा किसी एक शेयर में अपने पैसा लगाया हुआ था कंपनी ए लिमिटेड में, बट ए लिमिटेड आज से 6 months बिफोर इट वाज वर्किंग वेरी वेल एंड बहुत अच्छा कंपनी वाज पेइंग द डिविडेंड एंड उसका जो कैपिटल एप्रिसिएशन था दैट वाज आल्सो वेरी गुड. बट नाउ आफ्टर 1 year that company is not giving proper dividend, that company growth is not proper. What you have to do, sold whole asset, whole share of A limited, and you can invest in B limited, C limited, D limited, or X limited. जहां पर you can get the more dividend, you can get the more capital growth. Might be possible if you think if this slowdown is the temporary. You have analyzed and you find that this slowdown is the temporary, then stick with that particular company so that after 2 and 3 months it will grow. Yeah, you can keep 50% in company one, and you can sold 50% or 40% or 60% share and invest in any other company. So my point is that whatever you have investment, you have to understand what is the current scenario of this investment and whether there is any other opportunity, whether I can earn more money or not. If there is some possibility to earn more money with same investment, with the same kind of risk, then you have to move to any other instrument or any other company or any other mode of investment. Okay. Now, once you have made the all investment, all a list of the all investment, and उसका जो मैंने जो आपको पहले बताया कि we have to find out the current income, कि what we have the current income. Like मैंने A limited में जो पैसा लगाया था तो I am getting the dividend of only 100 rupees per year. I have the one house property जहाँ से I was getting the house rent last year 25,000 per month, but during the lockdown my जो renter था has vacant and nobody is taking that house property. Now it is the vacant. Then you have to understand कि जो property you have purchased in Greater Noida या Noida या in Gurgaon, whether that is in the right location or not. If you think it is not a right location, then you can sold that property and you can purchase another real estate or another house property in a location where you can get the good rental income. So you have to understand कि with your list of investment, what is your current income, what you have earned in past, and what is the future possibility. One thing, and you have to understand कि if you invest same amount in same kind of investment, like शेयर में है तो शेयर से ही कंपेयर करना है. You have the house property, you have to compare with the house property. You have not to compare with कि हाउस प्रॉपर्टी में तो सिर्फ 3% का इनकम आ रहा है. वंस आई मेक एफडी इनकम तो कम से कम 6% आ जाएगा, या आई गो इनटू द इक्विटी शेयर तो आई विल गेट द 10%, 20%. नो, if you want to compare, then you have to compare with mango to mango. Like रियल एस्टेट है तो रियल एस्टेट से करो, एफडी है तो एफडी से करो, म्यूचुअल फंड है तो म्यूचुअल फंड से करो, और आपका फिक्स डिपॉजिट है तो फिक्स डिपॉजिट से करो। ओके, तो ये चीज आपको करना पड़ेगा कि यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड पास्ट इनकम, व्हाट इज योर करेंट इनकम, एंड यू हैव टू सी कि व्हाट इज द एनी अदर इंस्ट्रूमेंट दे आर प्रोवाइडिंग in the same category. Agar if same category other instrument or other company or other possibility is providing the more income, go with that. और अपने आप को स्विच ओवर कर सकते हो। तो this activity you have to do on 6 monthly or yearly basis पर you can do yourself, or you can take help of some financial consultant, so he will give the right suggestion to you. Like आपके known में कोई इंश्योरेंस एजेंट है, and you have the one insurance agent that is one insurance term policy that is not giving the good turnover to that is not paying the good payout to you, then you can discuss with your insurance agent कि भाई मैंने ये 5 साल पहले या 10 साल पहले तो लगाया था, but I am not getting the good return, what is your suggestion? तो might be possible he can give suggestion कि आप इसके अगेंस्ट पर लोन उठा के कोई और पॉलिसी में पैसा डाल दो, देयर इज द वन पॉसिबिलिटी। दूसरा कर सकता है कि यू कैन स्टॉप राइट नाउ एंड देयर विल बी नो इम्पैक्ट ऑन इनकमिंग और पे आउट व्हाटएवर यू हैव मेड द इन्वेस्टमेंट, दैट इज द कंप्लीशन ऑफ द टर्म, एंड नेक्स्ट आप किसी और फंड में पैसा डालो। इस तरीके से ही कैन गिव द सजेशन टू यू। तो जो भी आपके नियर एंड डियर में फाइनेंशियल कंसल्टेंट है, वेदर इट इज द इंश्योरेंस एजेंट, म्यूचुअल फंड एजेंट और शेयर एजेंट, जो भी है, जो भी आप कंसल्टेंट है, आप उससे बात करें और वो आपको ओवरऑल हर चीज का अलग अलग कंपेयर करके बताएगा। अदरवाइज यू कैन डिस्कस विथ मी कि हाँ मनीष मेरे पास एक पूरा पोर्टफोलियो है, क्योंकि व्हेन यू गो विथ इंश्योरेंस एजेंट तो वो सिर्फ इंश्योरेंस के बारे में बताएगा, म्यूचुअल फंड वाला सिर्फ म्यूचुअल फंड के बारे में बताएगा। एज बीइंग द CA चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग द होल सर्विसेज, लाइक कि आई हैव टाई अप विद सम अदर कंसल्टेंट, लाइक म्यूचुअल फंड वाले से भी टाई अप है, इंश्योरेंस वाले से भी टाई अप है, रियल एस्टेट वाले से भी टाई अप है। सो वी कैन प्रोवाइड द होल एक्यूमुलेटेड रिपोर्ट टू यू कि आपका जो करंट इन्वेस्टमेंट है वेदर इट इज अ राइट और नॉट। I will give the some indication, I will provide the some other option whether you can go. Now going with my suggestion, this is the you have to take decision. I will not compel to you you have to apply my decision. Just I will direct, I will give the suggestion, but I will not give the direction, I will not give order to you कि आपको यही करना है। You can think yourself whether you are comfortable, then you can take my suggestion, otherwise no. So yeah, on what is the portfolio audit? Suppose that you have make the list: real estate, fixed deposit, gold, startup, equity, mutual fund, insurance. Then we will understand कि what is your financial goal, long term goal क्या है, mid term goal क्या है, short term goal क्या है। ये जो मार्केट का जो लिंक का जो रिस्क है वो फिक्स रेट जो आपको मिल रहा है वो कितना है। नेट फ्लो ऑफ इंश्योरेंस, कभी कभी क्या होता है कि व्हेन यू फाइंड आउट द इंश्योरेंस टर्म पॉलिसी तो आप पाओगे कि व्हाटएवर द अमाउंट यू हैव इन्वेस्टेड उससे भी कम आता है। तो ये होता है बहुत बार। व्हाट इज द इन्फ्लेशन रेट ऑफ मार्केट, वेदर इन्वेस्टमेंट इन रियल एस्टेट इन योर इज योर असेट है या लायबिलिटी है। सपोज दैट you have made the investment of the 50 lakh rupees in a house property and your intention to give on the rent, लेकिन वो रेंट क्या होता है कि एक बार 1 ईयर के लिए लगता है, फिर वो घर खाली हो जाता है। ओके, आफ्टर 6 मंथ फिर लगता है 6 महीने साल भर के लिए फिर खाली हो जाता है। देन यू विल नॉट यूटिलाइजिंग योर हाउस प्रॉपर्टी एंड माइट बी पॉसिबल कि वो लोकेशन सही नहीं है, वो घर सही नहीं है, या जहां पर आपने घर परचेज किया देयर इज नो इंडस्ट्री, देयर इज नो ऑफिसेस, सो जिनका अपना मकान है दे आर लिविंग बट रेंटर नहीं रह रहे। देन यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि ये प्रॉपर्टी मैं निकाल के मैं किसी ऐसे जगह पर लूं नियर बाई इंडस्ट्री, नियर बाई कॉर्पोरेट ऑफिस, सो दैट कि मेरा रेंटल इनकम आना शुरू हो जाए। ओके, तो आप शेयर होल्ड कर रखे हो, म्यूचुअल फंड होल्ड कर रखे हो, वेदर इट इज वर्दी और नॉट। तो ये सब सारा चीज पोर्टफोलियो ऑडिट में आता है। यू कैन एनालाइज योरसेल्फ, यू कैन एनालाइज विद सम अदर कंसल्टेंट, और यू कैन डिस्कस विद मी कि हाँ मनीष मेरे पास ये चीजें हैं, कैसे हम इस चीज को करें। तो नाउ इट्स योर टर्न, whatever you think, whatever you like, or you have any question in your mind, you can discuss. And today this session is not on YouTube, YouTube live. So anyone have any question, they can ask.
This is not live anymore or not recorded?
And it is a recorded, but it is not a live on YouTube.
Sorry, not live on YouTube. Okay.
Yeah, it is a recording. We are recording in our computer only.
Okay. You'll be sharing the video, no?
Yeah, we will share. There is no such a problem.
I wanted to ask you, like, for PPF withdrawal, Provident Fund, you know, I used to work in a number of companies. So I used to put in Provident Fund. Now I have to go to all those companies to get the Provident Fund withdrawal.
You can go actually in the Provident Fund. There is some they have given the some restriction, like if you withdraw Provident Fund before completion of 5 years, then it is a taxable. But you have withdraw Provident Fund after completion of 5 years, then it is not taxable. Okay, one thing might be possible. You have withdraw your Provident Fund after completion of 6 years. In spite of that, Provident Fund company या Provident Fund जो institution है, okay, they deduct 10% TDS on your whole withdrawal amount, but you can claim as a refund because it is not a taxable amount once you completed 5 years of your services. But sometimes because it is the government compulsion to deduct TDS, whatever the amount you are receiving from Provident Provident Fund.
But how to withdraw it?
Yeah, the withdrawal process is a very easy in sense that now it is the online process, and you have the UN number. Okay, you have UN number, and that particular online site you have to make the withdrawal request, and it will come into your bank directly. So I don't think it was the very tedious work before the online. You can say before 2 and 3 years, but right now it is the not such as the tedious process. You can log in yourself on PF portal and you can withdraw.
Achha, but for that you need the Provident Fund number.
Definitely, you need the Provident Fund number. You have you have to set your ID and password, and after that you can withdraw.
I think for one company I have 2 different Provident Fund numbers.
No, for one company you cannot have the 2 different number, but for the 2 company you can have the 2 number. But for the one company it is not possible. Might be possible you have work in the A Limited and your transfer has been done in the B Limited, that is the sister concern or the subsidiary company of the A Limited. In that scenario, you have you are working in the same group, but you have worked for the 2 different entities. Then you can have the 2 different Provident Fund. That was happening approx 5 to 6 years back. But right now, before 5 to 6 years, the government of India has created the one unique number for the Provident Fund, and whether you are working in the A Limited and you transfer to B Limited, or C Limited or D Limited, then your same UN number will work for the whole company, all company.
No, but I think in my case, I think the company was combined with another company or got taken over or something. So
definitely, I got your point, but your UN number should not be changed as per my information. If you have to आप एक बार फिर से देख लेना संजू, if there is some change in the UN number, then have you gone on the e-portal of PF Provident Fund? Have you visited e-portal of Provident Fund?
Yeah, but not now. Some years ago I had.
No, so it is my suggestion to you, go on the e-portal of Provident Fund and log in with your Aadhaar card or whatever you have your number. If you have not, you have no your number right now, then create your number with help of the Aadhaar or etc. That then you can identify your whole Provident Fund is coming at one location or not. Then you can identify. So first of all, it is my suggestion to you, go and visit e-portal of Provident Fund.
Okay. One more question. Like,
Yeah.
I don't know if I think in some companies I don't have the Provident Fund number, so I'll have to go to that company and get it. No.
हाँ. Suppose that your मतलब कि you are talking about the Provident for company or Provident for employee.
Provident Fund from the company, no?
So actually, what happens, Sanju? Suppose that I have worked in A Limited. Right now, this is the scenario. I have started my job with A Limited. So this is the duty of A Limited to provide the Provident Fund to me. Okay. So they
Yeah.
will provide the Provident Fund number to me, and I have switched over from A Limited to B Limited. So what I do in B Limited, I will provide the same UL number or same Provident Fund number to B
No, I did
Limited.
not switch that. Every Provident Fund number is new.
Okay, so you have to discuss with your HR department ki, what is the status of my provident fund number. So he the मतलब कि your HR department will provide the right answer.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
I just wanted to know, when you're 60 plus, there is
Yeah.
something in the bank government policy where you put in 15 lakhs. Have you heard about it? That you can put
Yeah,
15 lakhs
I
in the.
have some idea, but not 100%. Tell me, please.
Yeah. So what are the? I had to break all my PF, all that. Now, at 60, what are the investments that I could do that will, I mean, other than the insurance I have and things like that. So I do divide a little bit in mutual funds, short-term gains, long-term. And but somebody just mentioned to me that there's a government scheme, so I didn't know, is that, or is it now okay to start a PPF, because I had withdrawn all that to buy a house. So
Actually, you can start PPF, but from PPF you are not eligible to withdraw before the 15 years. Suppose that right now your age is the 61 years,